we now move to 3.26, changing arrow orientation. So from this one of the sample, you can see the arrow can reach to the different direction. So those are the precisely adjustment for your the layout of those arrows in the diagram. I think it's during the earlier those samples we have tried is how those default the arrow orientation behavior. If you have the single hyphen with an arrow that is in the horizontal, double hyphen or more hyphens together will have this vertical, because by default the class diagram is on this top-down orientation. And if you change to the left to right direction, then those the default orientation will be changed 90 degrees. So those are certain basic orientation, but you now within this video through those samples you can learn how you can force our arrow to point to the the expected orientation or the directions. So let's do this testing together. So that is the 316. So let me create first one. So start UML and UML. Then we have this one. Let's read it. By default, links between classes have two dashes. So let's make this is classroom. That is one. Class student and also class chair. So we have three class first. Then let's make those orientations. So room with our the small o and our double single hyphen will be have this one. So or single dash. So double dash or two dashes. So hyphens are vertical oriented by default. I should say here it's possible to use a horizontal link by putting just a single or single dots. So if I have this one, so I can have a student one. Maybe it's I have a student two, and the chair one, chair two. So with this one, we go to, and with this dot. So you can see is the dot is just the dotted line, and then we can have this long. So room with this start double dashes or double hyphens is chair one. Then it will be the vertical. We put that here. So student two. So let me put that two. Then they are not point to the same one. So if you don't want this room here, so you can put here. So X, and I put a student two like this way. So O with dash and delete this. Then I put room in the right. Then student two will come to the left. So that is some basic way. But now is you need to decide is where is the aggregated parent. So you can use this dot before or after to change this diamond area. So room is come to chair. Let's see, that is chair two. Then it's like this way. And if I put this chair one, double dash with room, so this will come to here. So you can see you can use this sequence, so which putting in the first and which is the second to put is which one is displayed first. So that is the first one. So let's go to the second one. So I can copy this. So to number two. And then let's delete those. You can also change direction by reverse the link. So this we already did this. So now is I just directly putting it here. So we have tested already. So you can test that is student 1 is in the left. And the chair is chair 1 in the top. So this I just make our second this source file so that you know there is specifically matching to this second diagram. But actually in the first one we already test both. Then moving to the third is it's also possible to change arrow direction by adding these keywords. Left, right, up, down. So let's have this sample. So we have our -3. So now we have those one. So let me just see is we have always put room first. So I will have this 4. So but if I want to do that is room will be the middle, then I want to put some link to the student 1. So what's this by default? Student 1 will be, let me put these comments. Student 1 will be vertical below room because that is the default part. But between these 2 hyphen or 2 dash, you can have these keywords. Let's see, to the left. So that means is I ask this arrow is go to the left orientation. So even the student is now in the second, and by default it should be the bottom because by default is the vertical link. But now I gave our the keywords is getting the right, left specifically. So now is if I go to our right, student 2. So then this way is you don't need to convert this student 1 to the left of the room. You can use this room in the first always. So now is I want is my arrow go to up. You can use this. I put this star in the left, and then go to the chair 1. So now you can see you have this the composition, and now if I put this to 2, but I put this down. So 4 direction. Now you have all of those put is you can put, I think is put this here. So let me see. Yeah. So with these codes, but you need to have a code. Otherwise, this right will have this syntax error. So you should have the double quotes. Then you can give this the labels. So then the people know is you are putting this like here. So if you want this get long, so I think it's putting that to here. Oh, no effect. I'll put that earlier. It's also no effect. So for putting this name, they stand and you cannot change this length. So it's auto arranged. So anyway, use this way, you can control your arrow orientation easily. Just remember this 4 direction. You can another is you can shorten the arrow by using only the first character of the length. So let me see is I want to go to the students 2 for another part. So let me copy this to 4. So you can use just the L. So it's the same. Or you can use this first 2, RI. It's the same. The up is you can use U. you can use DO, or you can directly use D. So that is the way is you can have some shorter, but this just save our few of characters. I'm not recommend this because that also lose a certain readability. Please note that you should not abuse the function graphic with give usually good result without tweeting. So don't use and with the left to right direction parameters. This one is just to another direction. So if I put here, so left to right direction. So try to see here. So even we have this up, but now it's a convert rotate to 90 degrees. So that is the thing is you need to pay attention to is if you give some specific configuration and you need to pay attention to what's the keywords you are using. So that is ensure is you don't give yourself confusing or you don't mislead your readers. Okay, so we start is we finish this 3.25.6. Next video we will move to the associate classes. Then we will learn is for this cardinality. So, see you in the next video. Bye for now.